how to install OBS Broadcaster on Windows 11 25H2 update. So if you go to this site here, obsproject.com/download, and then in here, if you go down to the bottom, we click on download installer, or you can download the zip. Okay, I'm just going to choose download installer. It will be a lot easier. Okay, it is now downloading. This installer is 150 megabytes. So we just wait for that to finish. Okay, once it has finished downloading, we're going to open and run it. So click on yes. Over here, we're going to click on next and click on next and install. Then now we can click on the finish button to launch OBS. Here, I'm going to click on next. Okay, so now OBS has launched. Here we can click on, you can choose optimize for streaming, optimize just for recording. So if you're not streaming, you can choose this option. Or I will be using the virtual camera. And then click on next. Here say choose your resolution and FPS. And we click on next and click on apply settings. And that's it. So now OBS has been installed. We can then start to stream or start to record. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.